Hi everyone, I am Venkat Kiran. I am here to present my technical seminar topic is on ultraviolet radiation measurement using smart device. Here is the content. Abstract. Ultraviolet radiation has a great impact on human health which causes skin cancer and other eye related problems. People basically gets information about UV radiation through weather forecast, which can only provide rough and average prediction for a certain large area. So a smart device which measures UV radiation at a specific location accurately and precisely is developed. Measures UV radiation using smartphone cameras, uses CMOS sensor, and by using fog computing algorithms in order to increase efficiency of a result. Introduction. UV rays present in sunlight is carcinogenic in nature and causes skin cancer and other eye related problems. It is very important and helpful to provide people a way to measure UV radiation around them accurately and conventionally. There are two major type of equipments which can measure UV radiation nowadays. The first type is spectroradiometers, which are mainly used in laboratories, and the second type is portable digital UV meter. They are small and portable in nature, but they do not provide accurate readings. In recent years, idea of using smartphone is to measure UV radiation has emerged. CMOS sensor inside smartphone cameras are very sensitive to UV radiation and has ability to provide UV measures. Since the procedure is based on optical theory of camera, the configuration of a camera such as resolution and pixel size does not affect the result. Fog computing algorithms are used to increase accuracy of a result. Architecture. Capture optimal photos. It is done by user having a CMOS sensor in a smartphone, determining seam illuminance. It, it is done by CMOS sensor. It means it measures the intensity of a light, determining seam radiation. It is also done by CMOS sensor. The fog computing based data aggregation. It uses some aggregation algorithms in order to calculate UV radiation. Determination of UV radiation and UV meter system implementation after result will be displayed in the smartphones. Methodology. Capture optimal photos. Get an optimal photo where parameters like exposure time, apertures, and film speed plays an important prominent role in measuring the UV rays. Relation between UV radiation and photo parameters is shown in below. It is same as architecture. Determining of UV radiation. The UV radiation values can be obtained from seen radiation using the formula given below. Since the equation is based on photometric and radiometric principles, it is usable on any kind of smartphones and not depends on camera specification. For computing based data aggregation, it uses some algorithms to calculate the result. This is the algorithm used by fog computing. This is fog server. Each individual value is pushed to server. The processing of a UV values are done and aggregate result is pushed from the server and displayed on smart devices. These are the results obtained by using CMOS sensors. Application. Developed UV meter application is lightweight and fast and effective. It can be used to protect skin from harmful radiation, helps farmer to protect crops in their fields against harmful radiation, helps people to decide suitable location to build their houses. Conclusion. The procedure directly utilizes reading from camera sensors so it can be used in almost all sensors. In addition, it uses fog computing to improve the efficiency and accuracy of a result in real time. Overall result in experimental shows 95% of accuracy, so it can be used in any kind of smartphones. These are the references. Thank you.